Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, Technical Advisor for Canon USA. And today I want to give you a look at the second version of Canon's multi-purpose cameras, the ME200S-SH. Now this new multi-purpose camera model is geared to meet video productions which require an abundance of connectivity and control options, a compact form factor, and high image quality. The ME200S-SH is equipped with the same 8.29 megapixel Super 35mm CMOS image sensor and image processor as the Cinema EOS C100 Mark II camera. So you can expect it to achieve similar, well-balanced, and high-quality HD images. And the ME200S-SH can achieve even higher ISOs than the C100 Mark II. In fact, it achieves minimum subject illumination at 0.015 lux or less with an equivalent ISO rating of 204,800, making this camera especially well suited for a variety of video production applications as it strikes the optimum balance between perceived resolution and perceived noise. The basic concept of the multi-purpose camera series allows for internal modules to be swapped around to suit specific shooting purposes. Now, there are three main components: an image sensor and lens mount module, the main circuit board or image processor unit, and the external interface module. In the case of the ME200S-SH, the forward module contains the Super 35mm sensor and it's equipped with this EF Cinema lock mount, while the internal module, that includes the image processor, contains the same DIGIC DV4 as in the C100 Mark II. And that means it also uses the same advanced debayering algorithm oversampling HD processing. So you can expect similar reductions in jaggies, false color, and moire with the ME200S-SH as you did with the C100 Mark II. And that's basically a super clean and sharp HD output. Now, there are a number of Rec. 709 custom picture profiles, but the DIGIC DV4 processor can also support a high dynamic range using the YDR or Canon log gamma profiles. This allows you to shoot video with a wide gradation of up to 12 stops, which will decrease loss of details in the dark areas of a shot, while reducing overexposure in the highlights, and this allows for an overall high degree of color correction. If you're using it in a situation where you need auto features, well, just like the C100 Mark II, it too is equipped with dual pixel autofocus, which makes it great for remote or gimbal operation, allowing you to concentrate more on making the shot and less on worrying about focus. Additionally, you can select automatic exposure and auto white balance. Another cool feature: extend your lens's focal length by using the digital teleconverter with ×2, ×4, and ×8 magnification. The external module is the interface unit, the inputs, outputs, and controls. Now, the ME200S-SH has no internal recording capabilities, but using the output-only 3G HD SDI and HDMI terminals makes it easy to output video via a single cable to a variety of peripheral equipment, including external recorders and monitors. The 3G HD SDI terminals output frame rates up to 60p at 1080 or 720. And you'll get YCB CR422 from the 3G outputs, while the HDMI port is capable of RGB 444, YCB CR422, or YCB CR444 with 8 effective bits from either output source. Now there's a Genlock terminal which allows for seamless interaction between devices, ensuring that video signals are being generated with the same timing. They're in sync with one another, and this is a must for live broadcast. The ME200S-SH is also equipped with a 2.5mm stereo mini jack and a round 8-pin jack for RS422, allowing it to connect with Canon's RCV100 remote controller. This will allow you to operate the camera or change settings from a remote location. And then there's this: a 3.5mm stereo mini jack allows the camera to connect with an external microphone to output audio with video signals to connected peripheral equipment. There are 2 power inputs, a 4-pin XLR and a terminal block 2-pin jack for 11 to 17 volt DC operation. And there's 3 assignable buttons, a power switch, a joystick, and the menu controls. Internally, the ME200S-SH contains 4 built-in motorized filters: an IR cut filter to remove infrared light, 2 ND filters, a 1/8 and a 64th, and a clear filter for shooting in the infrared mode. Now, these filters are easily dropped in or out electronically using just the joystick or by remote operation with the Canon remote controller RCV100. By switching it into infrared mode with the IR cut filter off, the camera becomes even more sensitive to infrared light, allowing you to shoot infrared mode even in complete color and almost total darkness. So let's have a quick look at the body. It's small but rugged and lightweight. The body itself is aluminum, weighing approximately 1 kilogram, and contains high rigidity magnesium panels. It's roughly a 4.5-inch cube. Its overall size lends itself to easy installation or containment. And to make this possible, there are 4 1/4-20 attachment locations on the top and bottom, tripod mounts on the top and bottom, and the box-shaped styling makes it easy to secure the camera to a fluid head or combine it with or inside of various third-party system products. The EF Cinema mount uses a locking ring that enables the lens to be attached and detached with ease, without disturbing attached accessories. A lens jack that supports 12-pin serial communication, which is the interface used for broadcasting, is provided to enable communication and power with the drive unit of broadcast or cine servo lenses and enables the remote operation of the focus, zoom, and iris. Also, some lenses, like the compact servo 18 to 80 millimeters, can receive power supplied directly through the EF lens connector. To date, the camera is compatible with more than 30 different EF mount lenses, and they're adding more all the time. So there you go. High image quality for production, research, surveillance, or any other production need where a small, lightweight camera is required. Drones, gimbals, car mounts, underwater housings, you name it. Be sure to check out the ME200S-SH and visit the Canon USA website for more information. I'm Brent Ramsey. Thanks for watching.